Hello, I'm CJ Parker with Case IH, here to talk to you today about the jump start function on your Pro 700. So the jump start control is a user-defined window, which we have placed over here in the left-hand area, but can be added to any run screen. The jump start control is used for when you've stopped the planter in the middle of the field to pick up a rock, got out to dug to check seeds, or backed up into the corner. And the way the jump start control is used, if you go ahead and press and hold it, it's going to start counting down 3, 2, 1, and then when it says go, it's going to start spinning those electric drives at the speed that you have set to help relieve any gap from when that planter starts going. To make those changes on how long it counts down and what speed it turns them drives at, we'll go ahead and hit the back button, go to work condition, and then under the operate tab, we can scroll down and we have our jump start delay. So it's going to count down starting at 3. And then it has the jump start cancel. So that means if it doesn't see any planter speed within 2 seconds after it says go, it's going to go ahead and cancel the jump start. And right here is the speed at which it's going to turn the seed meter at 3 miles an hour. For more information on jump start control, refer to your operator's manual or contact your Case IH dealer.